Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko this video bụ maka nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Okwuluola Ndigbo. Ịma na a lot of you don't know that na Okwuluola na-enwe diabetes, and nke ya dị too much. Not only diabetes, I think about 2 or 3 different sickness Okwuluola na that people don't know, and some people is not aware, why some are aware. Biko Okwuluola is not feeling fine. Forget the fact that now every time I be internet, I know Oku, but we don't remember that guy. Okwuluola now, as I'm speaking to you, is not feeling fine. Okwuluola zalaza. Like one of his leg zalof man kablo, like no, it's not a joke, it's not a content, it's not. You people don't know what Okwuluola is passing through. That guy is passing through hell. That guy is not feeling fine. If you know Okwuluola very well, if there is any way you can help him, if you're a medical doctor, anybody, if there is any way you can help him, please do. Because Okwuluola is not feeling fine. Financially, anywhere, Igeshi help Okwuluola, please reach out to him and help him. He's not feeling fine. I want you people to please, as you finish watching this video, share it so that other people will do what? Will also be aware. Okwuluola bụ nke anyị. Ihe niile na-emelụ ndị mmadụ na ma ndị na-aya kezafia kidney problem, runs and all these things. Okwuluola is taking care of them, knowing fully well that he's not feeling fine. This is sacrifice he has making for our youths, most especially in the Igbo. Okwuluola have sacrificed so much for us. Please, let's not just abandon him now. He need us now, please. You people should share this video as you watch it. God bless you, and please don't forget to subscribe on notification.
Because only when this video, metoma can share button share on this video, and somebody should tag Okwuluola Ndigbo to this video. Tag Okwuluola Ndigbo na this video. Okwuluola Ndigbo, o nwere ofufe nchọrọ ka mme ka mata. Ịghọtago? O nwere ofufe nchọrọ ka mme ka mata. The world will still go on without you. Even while the world will still go on without you. I show you today afro echenama this world ya do post. Echenana ndị Igbo na enwezi more Igbo men and women because na enorozie. Even you na agwa gị fa. This is the time you need to help yourself. This is the time you need to help yourself. And only somebody no closer to Okwuluola Ndigbo, and they love Okwuluola Ndigbo so much. See Okwuluola Ndigbo na-ezugo gwara, it is time for you to help yourself. No nwere anya ị na-apụ apụ. I saw the video ebe Okwuluola na-emerụ mmadụ fundraising. Blue bandage n'ọkpa. Look at his face. Ine ya anya n'ihu. Nene stamina ntosu wee kwụrụ. Ịmara na nwoke nwe ka nwoke si wee nọrọ. Enough is enough. My brother, let me tell you. Aghalụ ndụ kpara akụ onye ire erie. In this case, ọ brother akụ ka ị na-akpa. There is no way you na subject your health. Na welu ndụ ngụnwa wee na-play gamble. Because you want to save others. I'm telling you the truth. You need to give yourself a break. Give yourself a break. Yeah? He who fight and run away live to fight another day. Yeah? Owuru na ịdụ ndụ ịka ya azụta more Igbo people ndụ karịa mana nwụrụ anwụ. Karịa mana nwụrụ anwụ. Yeah? And all these people who are well to do, because now people like us little thing why not sustain. Yes, in our own little way, I not contribute to what, but then will major people who are major financiers to the ministry of Okwuluola in terms of ego on a raise where the madaka because na mayo na yo for so Okwuluola Ndigbo nyeri aka. Many by fire by force. Una yo na ya yo. Welu nie owuru obodo na akpọpụ Okwuluola Ndigbo ko jegodu nogodu nwobele nenegodu nwe ya anya nene health ya anya nya wolugodu time jegodu maru no nwere ifo ye mo nwe. The young man na apụ na mmadụ o nwere iko na ada afia There is nothing you can ever do. Let me tell you, actually to that Afro, life goes on. It may not even take long for people to forget about you. Look at the lesson at Patrick Efanyoba today. Ebruge bata newu eba. Je niye na compound there. No man go to the life goes on. All those things in a man. Efanyoba cannot sleep. Efanyoba. The only time Efanyoba will a good, cool 8, 9, 10 hours sleep. Unko ononanini. Omeheme ono na moto before ola haru nwobele ụla otetakwana oye megido meeting beye ona akụ 4-5 nkototo before mari ife na-eme convoy ya start kwana emuvukwana ono ho n'elu ono eba ife niile ahụ ọ na-agbagharị ọkwụsọ ka ọ dụrụ ndị a na mma ka ọ dụrụ ndị a na mma ka ọ dụrụ ndị a na mma because I keep telling people ọbụrụ for his own good. Let me tell you, nwoke gafe gugu na ami before ba politics. What are you telling me? At 30 something years, nwoke enjoy shadi ife niile mmadụ nwere ike enjoy n'ụwa. At 30 something years, o nwere private jet, o nwere cruise ship, ọ na-agba Rolls Royce, ọ na-agba Bentley, o nwere uno na Banana Island, o nwere uno na o nwego almost ike omole phase 1 ka ogo n'ụzọ ebua, o nwere almost 2 of it. As asset and properties this man nwe n'ụwa, o lewe n'ụwa onye riche ewe nwụọ. It is a sad reality, but you must accept it. Happen maka ndị na-asụ na ọdụ bankrupt na ọ na-achọ ego na ọ na-achọzi ka o si na politics wee bubata ego. The fact is that he spent more money in politics. O wasted more money in politics than ono nwetara enweta. What are you telling me? But today, all those things Ifeanyi na-adọgasị onwe ihe ma during the height of insecurity oburu ihe n'isi, all those things, as a politician, he is one of the most active politicians anywhere in Southeast here. He's everywhere. It doesn't take him anything to sit down and enjoy the money only as a senator. He doesn't need to show the working. They show the working, but he keep trying to show the workings for man. You know, only by his own backside or so shortcomings. But the fact remains that after Onwuchalu Enichaye, even this Catholic diocese of Nnewi, Catholic Cathedral, the Catholic on Nnewi, I can tell you that they have forgotten about him. Upon none of that church up to 80%, but they will now appreciate people. Bidoli from 80-something% they are happy. The cathedral, they will even appreciate those people more than him laying the foundation. Because a living corporal is far more better than a pied general. Because it is only a living corporal that can live to tell the story. I'm telling you the truth. Okwuluola Ndigbo, this is bro to bro. I am telling you the truth. You must not please everybody. You need rest. You need love. You need to be taken care of now. Make yourself available so that people can take care of you now. Negative diabetes. You will even show one day, allow chola teta, enye breaking news. Okwuluola Ndigbo is no more. Etu aka Facebook yesi gala or na afio 1 week. No ringaka or wulu after akwayo akwachaharu. Life goes on. Everybody and ndị niile nwere ike dụkwa short. Ndị na-enwekwa ọrịa kidney and the liver. Efukwa another person osukwa from nowhere binitekwa. Yes, osukwa from nowhere binitekwa. Bidokwa from ebe kwụsịrị. Bidokwa from ebe kwụsịrị. I think at this point, you don't need to be everywhere. You need to help yourself. Because even you, in a shock, is on the madondo. Nguma no way you deserve to live. You deserve redondo because natural there are people who will be under constant pain. There are people who ye metokaricha nobi because no mmadụ nwe you. One day they look up to you. And you are their hope. I'm talking about your immediate family and relatives. So when you look at all these things, you should help yourself. You must not please everybody. Look at you. Ịpụta ime fundraising, ị na-eghe anya, ị nọrọzie, ị na-egbe egbe, ị na-edine edine, ị na-aga aga, ọdụ ka ihe nye gị mkpọ, ma bulie na-akwụnị, ị na-agbagharị. You have done enough for ndị Igbo to celebrate you, even if you don't do anything from now henceforth. Ndị Igbo do grateful. They should celebrate and appreciate that God would allow somebody to ka Okwuluola Ndigbo. So that you can stay alive. When time our people ye, yeah, you know, or on a me, mgbe emechalụ achọ mmadụ afọ ha, ndị mmadụ wee appreciate, celebrate onye ahụ. Dolondo ka people wee celebrate ya. Yes. Dolondo ka people wee celebrate ya. Ekwena ka ọ bụrụ n'ọnwụ ka anyị celebrate. You gotta go. Help yourself. You need help. I called you the time your mom on Nnewi. I did everything possible to come and see your mom. Or can people also turn up for you? You refused. If I don't like able than them mad but in I like able that people never was also. You will look where Jaffa, they will not they will still not allow you to have peace. So Chineke na afọ obi mmadụ, and also Chineke ya akwụghị ụgwọ ife ị na-eme ọ bụrụ mmadụ. Ọ nwekwa ndị nọ na-asịsị wota isi gụta ị n'ọbụ ka akwụọ ipue, because na ndị Igbo alaiki ife ọma, ndị ụwa achọrọ ife ọma. My brother, give yourself a break, not because you cannot do this anymore, but because you also need to stay alive. You are not looking all right the way in Siafo. This is my own brotherly love, into show love, because of how much I appreciate and value you as an Igbo man, as an epitome of humanity. Take care of yourself. You need rest. You need break. You need to look after yourself. You need to take your health serious. You want to go help yourself. Give yourself a break. All these people who know Okwuluola close. Okwuluola need to that subject you way into all this. Rather, I will even want him to relegate some of this function to some people. Let them do it. I'm an offending when they what about their selfish interests? They may bring bad names for you. You want to go, but give yourself a break. Give yourself a break. Share this video and menu Okwuluola Ndigbo. Go and take care of yourself. If care is not taken, take a vacation off. Go on a medical leave and break to either India or anywhere. Go there. Let yourself and take good care of yourself. You need at least no pekatampe 5-6 months break off from all this stress. You need it, and you know that you need it. Overwork is no way. Learn from the life of Senator Ifeanyi. Today, nobody talks about him anymore. Only few people talks about him. Look at even Southeast Development Commission. It is only a senator where capacity Ifeanyi can be able to bring such bill, influence the North and the South. How we be together to see that Nandi Igbo need the healing. That Nandi Igbo need the interest we wolu South Development Commission. We console, heal, we make a form of reconciliation na South. Or South to come Niger Delta, sorry. Niger Delta, Mono. You want to go? Yes, all South now. You want to go? Nandi Igbo need it. And we Northeast Development Commission. Age we wolu, he we reconcile ya, buko obodo, dozi obodo, we heal obodo, for alu niile, book and the haram meruha. The same thing with Niger Delta. He we buko si obodo, makiven militant meruha. Now somebody will put make a Southeast Development Commission. If I your back sponsor bill, push your guy. Even right now, Bulgaria appoint to go Onyisi Southeast Development Commission. If I your back's name is missing everywhere because it's not alive. Oh no, tata. That man supposed to can be bonus celebrate here. You want to go? But look, onye nwara hu luzuru, onye dundu gen ife niile. So Okwuluola, even na gwa if you need to stay alive. And it is only you at this point who can help yourself to stay alive. Give yourself 6 months break. Come back later and continue the work you are doing. For you will do it more better if you are alive than when you are no more. All these people, you are wondering yourself, if you die today, some of them will still survive. Share this video.